Today you're going to have fun with fantasy and you're going to be writing your own type of fantasy. So let's take a look. I want you to think about the story that you read this week called At the Library with Rick Dodson, the librarian, and the Bookers, and how they came to cheer him up on his birthday. So I want you to pretend that you are William from the Bookers. Okay. Again, you'll have to refer back to At the Library that you read on day one. Okay. If you need to go back into McGraw Hill, that would be great. You probably want to make sure that you do that. And here's what you're going to do. Pretend you're William, and you're going to write a letter to a family of bookers at another library. And you're going to tell about the librarian, Rick Dodson, and you're going to use details from the story. So here's the three things that you need to do. First, you need to identify where the library is located. Like, for example, which city and state is your library going to be in? Now, remember, this is pretend, so you can use any city or state that you want, okay? And then create a list of details about Rick before you begin your letter. So go back into the passage, get a notebook or create a Google Doc, and start typing and or writing some things that you learned about Rick before you begin writing your letter. Be sure that your letter has a greeting, dear bookers at whatever library. It has a date. It has a body. It has a salutation, as in your friend or sincerely, and it has a signature, which would be yours. So I'm going to give you some flexibility and some options with this. Maybe you don't want to do handwriting. Maybe you want to create a Google Doc and type the letter. All you have to do is share that document with me so I can grade it. And maybe you also want to create a Google Doc with the list of things about Rick that you learned when you go back and reread the passage. Or maybe you want to use lined paper and write a letter with pencil. You could take a picture of it and insert it on the next slide right here, okay? Or if you're face to face with me, you can put it in the bin in your ELA class. But remember that your writing needs to identify where the library is located. You need to talk about Rick and use details from the passage, and make sure that your letter has all the components of a real letter. Have fun!